Motherhood is a wonderful experience, but expectant mothers have to take extreme care of themselves and their babies. Experience utmost care from planning your pregnancy to post-pregnancy care at Destination Women's Clinic. Talk to a qualified and respected doctor trusted by over 50,000 patients spanning 100+ nationalities. Meet our founder and a respected international medical practitioner, Dr. Meenakshi Yelvantige.
While working out of India, I had an opportunity of managing patients from different countries with different culture. During that period of time, I realized that treatment of the patient not only includes consideration of physical problem, but also includes consideration of a psychological and emotional well-being. Pregnancy is one of the most magical experience nature can offer, and birth of the baby is the most precious gift given to the human being. This gift needs to be nurtured and cared for not only at the time of the birth of the baby, but throughout the entire duration of the pregnancy.
Make your pregnancy easier with the highest quality of comprehensive OBGYN care as per international standards through our 360-degree support system for expectant mothers, a dedicated medical specialist, pre- and post-pregnancy support, the best team for high-risk pregnancy, fair trial for normal delivery or natural childbirth within the limits of safety, right diagnosis for right treatment, association with reputed pathology labs, ultrasonography, fetal medicine. Also associated with neonatal ICU, cord blood banking, ambulance services. Our trusted pregnancy wellness program for expectant mothers includes diet or nutrition advice, prenatal yoga, lactation consultation, Lamaze sessions, prenatal workouts, physiotherapy sessions, emotional well-being support, and meditation sessions. We have tie-ups with reputed hospitals for continued care and 24-hour emergency support for pregnant women. For immediate emergency admission and care, we are associated with Nanded Multispecialty Hospital, located in Nanded City, Pune. We promote natural childbirth when healthy and safe for the mother and child. We follow ethical practices to design pregnancy treatment plans while ensuring the safety and comfort of expectant mothers. At Destination Women's Clinic, you can enjoy world-class women's healthcare services in Pune. Feel safe and secure with our advanced treatment support for high-risk pregnancies, gestational diabetes, hyperthyroidism, and other advanced treatments. Experience excellence through our gynecology, maternity, and fertility treatment. Find comfort with our laparoscopy surgery services.
ओरल डेस्टिनेशन क्लिनिकचं एक ॲडव्हान्टेज असं आहे की आम्ही विसरतो आम्हाला हॉस्पिटलला यायचं आहे, पण हॉस्पिटल नाही विसरत. हॉस्पिटलचं जे रिमाइंडर कॉल येतात ना, त्याच्याने आम्हाला खूप आपुलकी वाटते. म्हणजे टाईम मॅनेजमेंट इट इज व्हेरी गुड. आम्ही ते खूप छानपैकी अनुभवलेलं आहे गोष्ट.
म्हणजे माझ्यासारखी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केस पण त्यांनी एवढ्या इझिएस्ट वेनी हँडल केली आणि म्हणजे बाकीचे एवढं तपास करतील की जाऊ दे मला बेस्ट डॉक्टरकडे जायचं आहे, तर तुम्ही शेवटी फिरून इथेच याल हे मी सांगते तुम्हाला.
To schedule an appointment or for other queries, call 020-6752-3071 or WhatsApp us on 9404 395 976.